We are from Coordination of Bank Pensioners and Retirees Organization, consisting of all the banks, pensioners and retirees in the country, having nearly more than 7 lakh membership. And all the organizations have come together here. Our main demands with the government and Indian Banks Association is that bank pensioners' basic pension has not been revised from 1992 onwards. And whereas when the pension settlement was signed, we were told very clearly that the pension in the banks will be as per the central government employees pension scheme. Because for them also it is a second benefit, for us also it is second benefit. We have got corpus after surrendering the provident fund, and with that the corpus is now, the pension fund is now more than 4 lakh crores. So there is no burden on the balance sheet of the banks, and banks are making very good profit otherwise also, but even then there is no burden on the banks. But with all that, though we have been demanding this pension revision for the last nearly 15 years, neither the IBA nor the government has responded favorably so far as. So we have decided to go on a massive dharna. As retirees, we can only do dharnas or hunger strikes, and dharnas will be held in important cities, and we have started from Bangalore, and it will be culminating in Delhi on 23rd October at Jantar Mantar. And we are making a fervent appeal to all the the sources of the public connectivity which the press has got, the media has got, the electronic media has got. We are making an appeal to you that please see that a proper publicity is given to this demand of the pensioners. Our another demand is that we should be also given proper medical care as given to the central government employees. They have got what is called central government health scheme. Either you give that, or if you are giving us the medical insurance, don't burden us with the premium. The premium for 3 lakhs, 4 lakhs is now going more than 1,07,000 rupees with GST at 18%. So we are demanding that the premium should be borne by the banks, and there should be subsidy also, and the GST should be removed. And then of course the special allowance component is not taken, whereas it is taken into account for pension for the central government employees. Our pension scheme is exactly on the lines of the central government employees pension scheme, and RBI pension scheme. When that is a position, why we should be denied should be denied our justified demands for pension updation and proper medical care, and also the full pension on the amount which we get at the time of the retirement, whatever salary we get. So these are the main demands, and for this the agitation is going on, and we will be very happy that you also come on 23rd in Freedom Park. We will be having the first dharna regarding this issue. Though we had done the dharnas earlier, now this year we have again started the agitation because the government and IBA is not responding at all.